Hey guys, my name's Stacey. I've been in the industry, the promo industry, for over 15 years. I worked my way to pretty much to the top of it, and I've been running these groups across Sydney, Brisbane and Melbourne for a number of years now. So I get to see the back end, I get to see what works and what doesn't, and here's a couple of top tips for you. Number one, only post something if you're an agency offering a job. Don't post anything if you're just asking for work or promoting an event, because that generally gets deleted. The reason is that when somebody posts something in this group, all the members get a little red notification. We don't want to waste their time and energy for them to click through and see something that's not relevant. So that's number one. Number two, if you have a dispute with either a person or an agency, don't bring it up in this group, don't discuss it in this group, because sometimes, I don't know if it's illegal, but it's certainly not nice. Number three, when you do pitch for a job, it's good to either personal message or at least express interest down below so that people can check you out and get you involved in the job. So what that brings me to is maybe you should tidy up your personal profile, perhaps make it public, or at least make some of the posts public so that when an agency or an employer of some description clicks on your profile, they can actually see something of value so that you can sell yourself through the images and things that you post in your public profile. Number four, I think it is, what I highly recommend for anyone in the promo industry is to pick a type of work that you're particularly good at, that your own personal skills mean that you're going to be an expert at, and create a little micro niche. That's how I got my pay rate to $500 a day, is because I picked something that I really loved and I mastered it over a period of probably a couple of years, but it can be done very quickly. Number five is, click that link below, guys, because I've written up a very useful document for anyone in the promo industry, and this is how to get yourself to $1,000 a week in promos, or much more for those who are more enthusiastic. Now, if you have a business on the side, this document is also going to empower you to leverage this industry to enhance your business, because a lot of people work in this industry so they can fund their passion, such as musicians, dancers, singers, students, actors, entrepreneurs of various descriptions. So click the link below, get that ebook, and it is very insightful, and it's probably going to take you about an hour to read, and it's going to make you a whole lot of money. My name is Stacey. I love this industry. I very much care about how you go in here, and certainly with the agencies as well. If you have any feedback for me on how we can make this group better, please let me know. In the meantime, have an amazing day. Get out there, get some amazing people in your life through the promo industry, and do something awesome. Mwah.